Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video on my channel, Jatoob. Today, ever since the success of my previous video of my water white in Roblox, I decided I'll do another one, but this time, one that everyone loves. The best movie ever. It sold 50 more billion tickets. And you guessed it, Morbius. So, right here, I have my zombie Morbius. And I can teach you guys how to make a normal and zombie Morbius in here on Roblox. So first, the essentials. What you need are the black manga hero hair for 75 Robux, the full black trim beard for 25 Robux, and the Morbius clothes and pants. And for the zombie Morbius, you would need, sorry, I don't mean zombie Morbius, vampire Morbius. Sorry, I got that wrong. And for the face, you would need the Harbinger. It was once free, but somehow it's now 500 Robux. But if you guys have this, you can use it. So once you've pieced all of that, you would look like this, and it will cost 110 Robux. And as always, I will link all these items in the description below, so you guys can just click on it and buy it, and you can wear it immediately without having to watch a full video. And if you want a normal Morbius, go to skin tone, put the beige color, and go to body and face, and you can put any face you want. You can put this angry face or like any of the default face. And there we go. And that's everything to make Morbius. And this is a very simple one. This is a very simple outfit, but a lot of these things you don't need to wear. You don't need to wear the clothes. You can maybe use like a clothes that you have. But everything here is optional except for the hair and the beard. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you found this helpful. And once again, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Goodbye.